In just a few hours, ice rinks across Massachusetts must close until early November. I'm Paula Eben. The shutdown order came from the state's Department of Health. Officials believe the coronavirus is spreading through youth hockey leagues. And as WBZ's Lisa Gresci tells us, dozens of communities are now dealing with outbreaks.
Starting at 5 o'clock tonight, rinks like this one here behind me will be shutting down for at least 2 weeks. The state says this is because at least 30 coronavirus clusters have been linked to indoor ice hockey. The Department of Public Health says there are 108 confirmed cases of the coronavirus in 60 different cities and towns connected to hockey practices, games, and tournaments across Massachusetts.
We've had an increase of 25 additional cases.
In Dedham, most of those cases are children and teens, and the town says all sports programs have been following all of the proper guidelines. The proof in the signage all over the Bach Ice Center, limiting the amount of people inside at a time, face masks, and social distancing.
It's not an intentional that the people are intentionally ignoring the guidelines and the recommendations, but you just might not think about it.
The Dedham Board of Health believes this goes beyond the rink.
So a bunch of kids carpool together to the hockey game, and they were in the car, and there are 4 or 5 of them. They're not wearing masks, and they're not doing it deliberately.
And into other social activities as well.
Maybe they're riding their bikes together. Maybe they're hanging out or having sleepovers on the weekend.
The challenge, making people realize all of their decisions as a family matter.
I think it's all those little anecdotal pieces that people don't think about because they're under 10 people. They're people they're familiar with, and that's, I think, the bigger message.
The 2-week pause on indoor ice hockey goes through at least November 7th. College and professional teams are exempt. The goal is to develop stronger protocols to keep players, coaches, and families and staff safe. Reporting in Dedham, Lisa Gresci, WBZ News.